Mommy can keep the cake.
Okay. Do you have a message for your dad?
Yeah. Dear Santa, I was good on Christmas Eve because I have a puppy to show Santa.
Nice. What did you get in the mail today?
A card from Santa.
Did you? What did he say to you?
Ho, ho, ho.
Amazing. Are you excited?
He was biting his bum bum.
Who?
Chester.
Over here? There he is.
Yeah, he was biting his bum bum.
Did you see your elf Jack today?
Elf Jack. I missed Jack.
Did you find him today? Where was he?
He's on Karen's caterpillar.
Ah, I see. Very nice.
Dear Elf, I was good for you, and I got a puppy.
Lucky girl. Do you have anything else to say to your dad?
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
Dear Daddy, I got some cake from Netta.
Nice. Do you have anything else to say to your dad?
Yeah.
What? No. Like, look at the camera and tell him something. Say, "Hi, Dad," or something like that.
No, I want to read this sign.
Oh, you want to read to him?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Dear Santa, I was good on Christmas Eve because I'm going to get presents.
Wow. Lucky girl.
Then Santa will have some cake. We have to leave some cake and chocolate milk. And I'm going to mix it for him, and we are going to leave it out and take the spoon out, and he's going to come down the chimney and see. Chester's not going to eat it. Here, Santa, we're going to put out chocolate milk and cake.
Lovely. Okay, we say goodbye to your dad and Karis.